In this video, I'll show you how to check or adjust your mouse settings in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, if you want to check your mouse settings, right, you're going to click on the Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down, you're going to click on the mouse. Right now, you can see the primary mouse button is the left, right. I can change it to right if I want. This is the pointer speed. You can adjust it if you want, right? Roll the mouse way to scroll, right? So you can see this, right? This is line to scroll at a time. So these are the mouse settings in this our Windows 11. So you can adjust any one you want, right? And this is the proper check. So this is how you can check stroke adjust your mouse settings in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.